So this is an FX Luminaire. This is the first time I've used one of these. Ewing, they kindly lent it to me just to have a play with. They also lent me the demo kit for the lights. So it's a pretty basic setup. You have your power cord that plugs in. Whenever I open this guy up, power goes into here. What you would have is you'd have some sort of timer that would go in here, so then you could set your schedule for the lights. Then you have two wires that come out, and then the lights, they just connect onto a wire each. Turn this guy on, and boom, we have light. Turn it off, and it's off. So you'd have your module in here, or your timer, that would then set the schedule. So what I have discovered, if I turn this way so you guys can see, is if I unplug this guy and install this, this is, you can see that, that's a PX Sync. I got one from Ewing. So this guy plugs into the side, and then this plugs in, and then I have a Pro HC controller set up, and these two wires coming out, you have the common, and then the other one is zone 5. So these two are going to come around. Connect those guys. That's now in. Now, when I turn this on, you'd expect the lights to turn on, but instead, nothing. The lights, there is nothing there. So this is now on. I'm now going to turn on zone 5 on the Pro HC. I can either do it on my phone, or I can just do it from the touch screen. So I'm just going to do it from the touch screen, zones, zone 5, landscape lights, run. We'll just do 5 minutes. That turns on, and that turns on. Turn it off, and it's off. Pretty cool, pretty easy to set up. If you can install an irrigation valve and wire it into a controller, then you can easily do this. This was a piece of cake. Just something that we can think about going forward in the future. Obviously, it definitely works for Pro HC. I'm pretty certain this will work with any controller. Plus, if it's got a Hydrawise, so it's a Wi-Fi, then it's even more beneficial because it means that you can operate it off your phone. The only negative that I see is that you can't run two things simultaneously. So you can't run the landscape lights and run the irrigation system. So if you've got two schedules that are clashing, they'll just end up stacking each other. You can't run them both at the same time. Not as far as I'm aware, but it's still pretty cool. So if you guys are interested in installing some of these, just give me a shout, because I'm definitely interested. There's clearly a lot of money that you can get with these things.